what's in this mystery box? Okay, what do we got? King size lollipop. With chili? Oh my goodness. Okay, they're hard. Watermelon with chili. Mango? Is that the same? Mango with chili? Hard candy. Peanut candy bars. Caramel peanut bars. Oh my goodness. Spicy peanuts. I don't know. What is this? Lollipop with chili peppers. Who likes candy with chili? Oh my goodness. Spicy soft candy. Some kind of candy at the end. And one more. We've got hazelnut and strawberry. I don't know what these are. I'm not sure what these are. Some kind of dip. Dips. I'm not sure. But it's half hazelnut, half strawberry. So that's what we got in here. Some spicy. We're gonna have to give these a try. See what we think. I've never seen somebody dip watermelon in chili before. Sweet treats from Mexico.